I'm making Savory Brown Rice Pilaf from the 5-ingredient Diabetic Diet Cookbook for Beginners. This is linked below. You can get it for yourself on Amazon and follow along. For this recipe, we need 2 cups of brown rice, dry and uncooked, 4 cups low-sodium chicken broth, and that's a whole one of these. 1 cup diced onions. I've crushed mine because I don't like onions, but I like the flavor they give things. 1 cup diced carrots, and 1 teaspoon of olive oil. To start, we're going to heat the 1 teaspoon of olive oil over medium heat in a large pot. Add your onions and your carrots and saute for 4 to 5 minutes until they're softened. The nutrition facts for this recipe are 462 kcals, 6 grams of protein, 4 grams of fat, 38 grams of carbohydrates, 4 grams of fiber, and 128 milligrams of sodium. Once your onions and your carrots have softened a bit, you're going to stir in your brown rice for 1 minute and toast it. After 1 minute, pour in your low sodium broth and bring to a boil. If you want to modify this to a vegetarian dish, you can use vegetable broth. Once it comes to a boil, cover, put your heat to low, and let it simmer for 35 minutes until the liquid is absorbed and the rice is tender. Then you're just going to need to fluff it with a fork and you're ready to go. We'll be back when it's done. There's our steaming hot finished rice pilaf. Oh, and it smells really good. Let's give it a try. We'll get a little carrot and the rice in there. I think the onion will give it a good flavor, but I don't like crunchy onions in my food, so I just chop them up. Pretty good. Be a good side dish for anything in this book, really. Check it out for yourself, and we'll see you next time.